Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're gonna work on getting this area flat and level for a brand new above ground pool, 16 foot by 32 foot. So I hope you enjoy today's content. We're gonna get the tiller going, break this dirt up so you can shovel it real easy, and get this pad prepped, packed, and ready to go for a 14,000 gallon pool. So if you have questions about what I'm doing today, drop them in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. As soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content. Here we go. I just got the first round of tilling and breaking up that dirt, so it's really easier to shovel, and I'll be able to take all this dirt and start filling in the lower section on the back side here, and just to get me closer to level, closer to flat. And then I'll probably run the tiller over it again, just to break up more of the dirt. It should make it easier for me shoveling. And it's going to take it step by step. So I hope you enjoyed the clip so far. If you have, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And then if you have any questions, put them in the comment section. And as soon as the video is over, make sure to go check out some of the other content. Here we go. Alright, of course the loudest car that drives by the property drives by as soon as I hit the record button. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that clip. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So basically, now I'm going to start raking over what I've tilled over this way, get the bulk of that over here in this area, and then I'll start raking out the upper section, that just what's left over after I till. Rake it up into a mound, and then I'll start kind of spreading it out, and I'll probably take some measurements. I'm sure that I'm going to have to till at least one more time, just to go down further on the other end. But we'll see. The middle probably needs to come a little bit, but I'm not try not to get too crazy in the middle, because I feel like it dipped a little bit in the middle without doing any measurements. It just looked like it dipped. So I'm going to time lapse the next clip. So I hope you enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Here we go. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. We obviously ended up doing a little bit more like I was thinking once I got home with the kids. So, bless me. Just got to do some more digging, leveling, checking with a string. So, it's going to be good. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Bigfoot out.